Temperatures warming up this afternoon across the valley. Still a chance that a shower or storm could blow up as the day goes on. Some of you saw some rain earlier this morning with some thunderstorms that were mostly north of the valley, but some of them didn't make it in. But today and then maybe again on Tuesday, some showers and storms could pop up. There still might even be a couple showers on Wednesday. Highs mostly in the 80s, not too hot out there, although a few spots in the upper valley could still have a chance to maybe hit the low 90s. But the really hot stuff staying away. And again, still maybe a spotty shower through about Wednesday, and then things dry out for Thursday and Friday. Could see maybe a little chance of rain over the weekend as a cold front moves in, maybe one of the last cold fronts of the season. So you got to get out there and enjoy that later this weekend. Now this was this morning. This rain was coming in around out here to the west around 1 or 2 in the morning and made it toward the coast around 8 or 9 o'clock. So areas of about the northern edge of the valley to the north had some pretty good rain in spots this morning. These green areas indicate more than an inch or an inch and a half in spots and even some heavier amounts. So northern parts of the valley saw some rain this morning. If we zoom in, the heaviest rain, northern Starr County, over here San Ysidro, about an inch or almost 2 inches near and south of San Ysidro, about an inch or so right there off of FM 1017. Then off to the west, about 2.5 inches right there along north central Starr County. That's right along FM 2686. So pretty good rain came down this morning. A lot of lightning out there, but things are quieter right now. The first 1.5 Doppler network has nothing on it in the valley. Little showers trying to bubble up a little bit to our south, and things are trying to get more unstable. If you think about it, this area of rain came through here, kind of swept through and stabilized the air. So a little bit south of that area, you can see the air getting more unstable with little showers trying to pop up. And I think as the afternoon goes on, a few more of these showers may eventually get enough of a kick to them to bubble up into bigger showers and maybe a thunderstorm or two. So right now, though, just little showers south of the border in Mexico, and that's about it. Current temperatures are in the 80s. We're at 82 in Harlingen, 85 in Edinburgh, and 85 in Rio Grande City. Humidity's up too. Dew points are a good indicator of how muggy it feels, and those dew points are back up mostly right around the low 70s. So very humid air mass out there, kind of be sweating, and even though it's only in the 80s, you'll be sweating if you're out there working this afternoon. You can see the broad picture here. The thunderstorms that formed to the west and swept through early this morning have moved offshore or died, but the northern edge of that area is still active with some showers and storms near San Antonio and off to the east. But again, I think as we heat up some, we'll start to see at least a better chance of showers and storms in spots this afternoon. And there's a small threat, emphasize small, but there's a small threat of a strong thunderstorm developing that could have some hail or strong winds, but none of that was around this morning. No big hail or strong gusty winds like that, but that could occur if storms really get going. Future Track tries to show maybe a shower or thunderstorm forming late this afternoon across the valley by around 3 or 4 o'clock and then moving through the area around 7 or 8 this evening. So maybe not that exact time, but kind of that window, late afternoon when it is warmest, showers and storms could pop up. And then things go mainly quiet overnight. Tomorrow's a day, though, this run of Future Track, which we get new data coming in about every 3 hours to run this, and this run doesn't have rain tomorrow right in the valley, but I still think showers or a couple storms may pop up somewhere in or near the valley in spots tomorrow. So kind of keep an eye on things tomorrow. Maybe a little quieter than today, but a shower or storm could still pop up. Wednesday is a tricky day because the moisture is a little more limited. Even though Future Track here does have some showers developing, may not be as heavy or as widespread, or whatever happens may not be as intense. But kind of keep an eye. Still, maybe a couple showers left over on Wednesday during the daytime before things go mainly quiet. So 40% chance for rain this afternoon, down to 30 tomorrow, 10 on Wednesday. I still think Wednesday won't be as busy, but maybe a couple showers are able to get going in spots. So first 1.5 forecast today, 87, but we should start to cloud up a little more with a shower or storm potentially forming this afternoon. So keep the rain gear handy, keep your weather app handy. I left my phone over there. I was going to show you the weather app, but I have to do that later. So got to keep it on me at all times. Down to 72 tonight with mostly cloudy skies, maybe a little shower or two later tonight. And the first 1.5 7-day forecast, high still mostly in the 80s tomorrow and Wednesday. Chance for rain going down very low by Thursday and Friday with highs close to 90 or slightly higher Thursday and Friday, and muggy nights around 70. The weekend, cold front, a fairly decent cold front for this time of year, could arrive late Saturday, so there's a possibility of a shower or storm as the front passes, but you'll notice temperatures take a pretty good dip. Sunday could be a gorgeous day. If you like sunshine and low humidity, kind of mark down Sunday as a day to get outside. Sunday, maybe even Monday, could be very comfortable around here. So we'll keep tracking it ahead in your first 1.5 forecast coming up.